Welcome to Next Gen RV Studios. How to give a signature text to your Gmail mails. First of all, open your Gmail mailbox. Click on the settings icon. Click the See All Settings text. On the General tab, scroll down to the Signature option. Click the Create New button. Give your signature name on the pop-up. Click the Create button. This will create the signature name. In the text box you can give the signature body. Have already copied my signature body. Pasting it. Now we give the signature details. You select the signature for new mails being created, the signature for replies and forward mails. Click Save Changes button. Now we are done. To check, click the Compose button. On the window we can see our signature.
For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel.
Stay tuned for more videos.